Let's look at constructing an equation knowing that we have something directly proportional. So the number of centimeters of water depth, W, is directly proportional to the number of centimeters of snow that's fallen. So a problem I know very well as a Vermonter, the more snow, the more water left after the snow melts. And in this first situation, the amount of water is 15.9 centimeters after 140 centimeters of snowfall. So we want to figure out what is their direct constant of proportionality. We're going to divide both sides by 140. It's probably honestly easier to just leave this as a fraction because the decimal keeps going, but we can make it a decimal. We just want to take a bunch of decimal places with us to not round it too much before our final answer. So we have about 0.11357. It keeps going as our K, the constant of proportionality. So W, the amount of water left over, is going to be 0.11357 times the amount of snow that's fallen. And it says, how many centimeters of water depth are produced by 100 centimeter depth of melting snow? There's the question we're trying to answer. So we know that 100 centimeter depth of snow has melted. So we're going to take that and plug it in for S and figure out the amount of water left over. We're going to round to 2 decimal places. So we're going to get 11.357 or about 11.36 centimeters as our water depth. That is directly proportional to the amount of snow that has fallen. So we were given that when 140 centimeters of snow had melted, we got 15.9 centimeters of water. Now we just had 100 centimeters of snow, so a little bit less than 140, and we had a little bit less water left over when it melted. So those answers seem to make sense compared to what I was given in the prompt for information.